let us understand the content consumption in India. As we know, smartphone users could reach around 500 million by the year 2020 due to rapid growth in mobile subscribers in India. We could expect more and more people start consuming the content online. There was a time when we used to spend most of our time watching TV, but now it has been replacing by Hotstar and Netflix as they are acquiring a huge fan base due to the features they offer. You can watch your favorite episodes in one go using these apps. As per the stats, more than 500 videos have been uploaded every 60 seconds in YouTube. People have started spending more time watching videos in YouTube than ever before. As more and more people coming online, and it is opening up a huge opportunities for both B2B and B2C businesses. This might affect the offline marketing channels such as TV and print media due to the increase in consumer online engagement. Everything is changing with flexible connectivity access due to rapid increase in smartphone users. There are high chances that we might move to omni-channel content consumption, as you can connect to YouTube and watch the favorite shows online using your smart TVs. As per the stats, rural areas are consuming around 50% regional content online. Since the online waves has encapsulated the tier 1 and tier 2 cities already, now it's trying to capture the rural market as well. As there is an increase in earning population in India, new doors of opportunities are opening up with the capabilities to connect the whole world just at the user fingertips. Online transactions are increasing as well. As you might have observed, more and more payment gateways are coming up online, such as Instamojo, CC Avenue, etc. The gaming industry has already taken over around 60% of the Indian marketing industry in the digital domain. We have only seen a trailer of the content marketing in India so far, says Sam Balsara. You can go through this article on a later stage. He has explained everything about content marketing growth in India. It's a nice article. You can spend some time reading this. Thank you.